A sequence is defined by u to the n equals 2n minus 1. Find the fourth term of the sequence. So let's substitute in n equals 4. So the fourth term, u4, is equals to 8 minus 1, which is 7. B. Let's simplify this expression, u to the n plus 1 minus u to the n. Now u to the n plus 1, this is the term number that we're interested in. So we know the formula, u to the n is equals to 2 to the n minus 1. And we're going to replace every occurrence of n with n plus 1. This is called function substitution. So instead of u to the n, we're going to replace u to the n with n plus 1. This new update here is equals to 2 times, and recall that n got replaced with n plus 1. So now we're going to do distribution here. So u to the n plus 1 is equals to 2n plus 2, you feed the dog, you feed the cat, minus 1. And as you can see, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So here is our new statement here. So we figured out what this part is over here. Now let's focus on u to the n. u to the n we know is 2n minus 1. So let's put it together. Let's focus to the right over here. So u to the n plus 1 is 2n plus 1 minus the whole thing. Don't forget the brackets. u to the n is 2n minus 1. And as you can see, when you distribute the negative sign, you have 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1. Two negatives, when you multiply, become a positive. The two n's cancel, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here's your final simplified answer.